Hello, beauties. Ready to say goodbye to pesky nail problems? Stick around, let's get real. Toenail fungus and brittle nails are a total mood killer, right? Well, meet ProNail Complex, the superhero your feet have been waiting for. This natural formula blends powerful oils and vitamins to rescue your nails from disaster. What's inside? Everything from sweet almond oil to tea tree oil, and even aloe vera. How cool is that? Just spritz it on daily after your shower, and let those microparticles work their magic. No greasy residue, and it absorbs super fast. I've been using it for a month now, and seriously, my nails have never looked better. The best part? It's safe for all ages and conditions. And if you're not happy, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Plus, free shipping. So, if you want happy, healthy nails, give ProNail Complex a try. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See ya!